Bro, tell me about this kid. Tell me about this kid.
Well,
Tell me about this
so
kid.
he has a trampoline in his backyard, and then he like climbs over the wall. And he says he saw my grandma one time. I mean, like, what if she's changing? That kid's so weird. Hop on.
I know. Okay, but it's gonna be a pause, but I'm not ending this for a second.
Sorry, hop. Wait a minute, get it how you live it. 10 toes, 0% on minutes. I'm a big slipper. You got middle. I'm not horse.
Pause. I'm not even sure where this kid is. Where's this kid? All right, so we just took a road around the. So
10 toes, 0% on minutes. I'm a. We didn't go far. We didn't go far.
wait, that's him right there, right? That's him.
What did he say? Why?
Baby, I'm telling you not to, okay? Please.
Just basically from my perspective. I'm not even sure what that thing is, y'all. What even is that thing? What
That
is he
kid is tattletale. That kid's a freaking tattletale. Bro, what even is that thing?
What even is he? What's he riding?
I don't know something.
Yes. Is that a submarine?
Okay, record.
I'm still recording, bro. I'm still recording.
Wait a minute.
Not yet.
Don't press on record.
I'll tell you when to go.
Chat.
I'm still gonna watch you of how far you go, you know.
But why? You're stuck. Don't be a stalker.
Stop. I'm not doing this correctly, bro. He's also a tattletale.
Okay, get off, get off.
Go! Bro, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I saw you go farther than his mom said.
Yeah, I know, bro, but his mom said that we could go there.
Well, she said you cannot go as far as my house, and I saw.
Well, then, as far as your house, right? Wait a second. Wait a second. Sparrow! Go the other way, that way! Because he said not to go farther than his house. Your mom said not to go farther than his house. Let's go! Bro, the actor restricted. I know this camera quality is so bad.
It's fine. Oh, that kid is tattletale.
He's acting weird. He's like riding a submarine on
That's what I
land.
have to deal with every day. That's exactly what I have
Every
to
day.
Every day. He's my neighbor.
Be quiet. Bro, let me get on.
Come on, we go.
Let's go. Let me get on. Bro, stop. Oh well, he's gone. He's gone for life. Where is he? I don't know. The podcast one of me and my friends going on a bike and talking about that. Talking about Harlan, which is the other kid.
No.
And this is Sparrow right now.
His name is Otto, and he's a weird kid.
Yeah. Come on. Bro, let me get on! It's my body. For God's sake.